Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Aries, and wait. Before you switch this video off, please understand the reason behind having this kind of a audio and this terrible lighting in this video. This is an exercise to tell you 5 things, 5 hacks that can make your YouTube videos look and sound better. As in from this to voila, magic! So I'm sounding better, I'm looking better, the lighting is amazing. It's all a nice cozy environment to make better YouTube videos. And now let's see how all of this happened. Let's go back in time. So for the sake of the video, let's keep the audio constant, the audio nice and clear so that you can hear me properly and you can understand how I made this transformation. So let's go back in time now. Okay, so we are back in the past. So first let's talk about the audio. How to make your audio better. As in, like you heard before, the audio was terrible. That was the in-camera mic that was recording my sound. And usually you shouldn't record with your in-camera mic or the mic from your phone. If you can avoid it, avoid it. And for this, I have this great little mic from Deity called VLab, which I have attached right here. And it has a long 5-meter wire which is going into my camera. It can go into your phone also. And your audio will be crisp and clear and rich. So that was number 1. Now, number 2, a light. Your first light. Well, it could be a LED light of any shape and size, but if you're on a budget, these small LED lights are good for a start. So the light I have over here is the Aperture MC, a great company, a great little small light. I have made a video about this light and the link of which will be in the description down below. You can click and watch that video if you want to know more about this light. It's a great light. Of course, there are very many different brands which you can buy also if you want, depending on your budget. But I have this, so it's quite small and nice and powerful. But of course, you can't use this kind of a light straight on your face. It's too hard and too powerful. For that, you will need the next thing on the list, an umbrella. But first, let's switch off this room light, the tube light that is on, and let's kind of start setting up slowly. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the tube light is off and I am holding this one LED light in my hand, which is very bright. So to diffuse this light and to look nice and soft and pleasant to the eyes, we use this. It's an umbrella. Well, it's a translucent umbrella which a lot of photographers use. You must have seen in weddings and many other events like that. And which is usually put in front of the light like this. One second. Yeah, something like this. So when you put it on a stand, usually you have a stand and a clamp in which there's an umbrella holder. So you put this umbrella in that holder and put this light behind the umbrella so that you get this nice soft diffused light. One second, let me put it on the stand and get back. There you go. So our first light with a soft diffused umbrella is set. It's starting to look nice, isn't it? Now at the back, as you can see, it's really dark and dull. So to spruce it up a little, I have another similar light, the second light. It is of course the same light, the Aperture MC, and this is also as bright and very strong. So this light, I will put it on a stand at the back on the side over here. And I want to kind of make it a little more interesting, something different. So I want to put this red gel paper on top of it to give it that little nice, warm, studio-ish feel. One second. So nothing fancy over here, just a basic red gel paper which you can get at any stationery shop, and with a clip on top, and just wrap it around the light. And it's on the light stand over here. Now I'll just raise it up a little. Make it a little high. Actually, the good thing about these aperture lights are that they are magnetic, so they can just stick to any metallic object or a stand, so which is quite convenient. So I raise it up a little. And now I have put it on the side, almost hitting my face and my hair from the back over my shoulders to give that little accent light. You see the difference, this white light from here and this little reddish tinge from the back. It's looking very classy. And last but not the least, one of my small little favorite things which just adds a little spice or like a garnishing over everything. Fairy lights. This. So these are these fairy lights which are available online or any supermarket. You can find them. They are battery operated and they are really convenient. You can put them up anywhere around your table, around your wall, and they just give that little spice and add that magic that you want in your videos. Like 1, 2 and 3. Nice, isn't it? Also, always remember that when you're using this front light of yours, it should be at a 45-degree angle from your face. Never put it right in front of your face, it'll look terrible. put it slightly on the side and raise it up a little. It'll look fantastic. Now let me fine tune things a little and I shall show you the final setup. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this will help you make better, good looking videos and higher quality videos, and all the products that you've seen in this video are down in the description below. If you need any of them, just click on the links and you can buy them from there. And any other question or queries you have, please leave a comment down below and I shall get back to you. And please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, because if you don't, somebody else will. I hope. But until next time, keep shooting.